Hello everyone, welcome in maths class. Today we will start exercise 1.3 of chapter 1. We will learn forming greatest and smallest number that can be formed with the given digits. Before proceeding to questions, let's have some important points regarding the formation of numbers by given digits. Without repeating digits. This is our first point, without repeating digits. We have to form the greatest number. We have two steps to form the greatest number, step 1 and step 2. Arrange and write the digits in descending order. You have to put commas to separate periods. Now let's consider some digits. Given digits are 9, 5, 7, 1, 4. And you have to form the greatest number. So the step 1 is arrange and write the digits in descending order. Let's arrange them. So the first greatest digit is 9. Then followed by 7, then followed by 5, then followed by 4, and then followed by 1. This is our step 1 to arrange the digits in descending order. Now you have to put commas according to periods. We have two periods in 5-digit number. First period is ones, which has ones, tens and 100. Now second period is thousands, thousands and 10,000s. So you have to put commas between 7 and 5. This is our ones period and this is our thousands period. Now we have to form the smallest number without repeating digits. For forming smallest number, we have 3 steps. Step 1 is arrange and write the given digits in ascending order. In a smallest number, to form smallest number, you have to arrange the digits in ascending order. Step 2 is put commas to separate periods like we did for the greatest number. Then step 3, if there is a digit of 0. अगर 0 digit आ जाता है तो हमें third step पे जाना है. What will we do for the third step? If the digit is 0, exchange it with the next smallest digit. Again, let's consider some given digits. 9, 5, 7, 1, 4, and you have to form the smallest number. Then the step 1 is arrange and write the given digits in ascending order. For ascending order, we have to write the smallest digit first. Which one is the smallest digit? The smallest digit is 1. We have to write it first. Then followed by 4. Then followed by 5. Then followed by 7. Then followed by 9. Step 2 is put commas to separate periods. Again, we have two periods for 5-digit number. First period is ones, second period is thousands. In ones period, we have ones, tens, 100. In thousand period, we have thousands and 10,000s. You have to put comma between 4 and 5. Now let's start. Exercise 1.3, question number 1. Question number 1 is saying, write the greatest and the smallest number that can be formed with the given digits. Use each digit once. You have to use each digit once. आपको कम से कम एक बार digit को use करना है. And you have to form the greatest and the smallest number. For forming smallest number, we have 3 steps. For this question number A, we have 6, 2, 8, 1, 5. Okay, now the step 1 is saying arrange the given digits in ascending order. Let's arrange them in the ascending order. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 8. Are they arranged in the ascending order? Yes, they are. Now, what is the step 2? Put commas. Now, put commas to separate periods. In 5-digit number, we have 2 periods, ones period and thousands period. Now, for ones period, we have ones, tens and 100. And for thousands period, we have 1000 and 10,000. And you have to put comma between 2 and 5 to separate ones period and to separate thousands period. Can we write now? Yes, we can write now. The smallest number is 1, 2, you have to put comma now, 5, 6 and 8. Now for the greatest number, the digits are 6, 2, 8, 1 and 5. For greatest number, you have to arrange them in the descending order. Now arrange them in the descending order. The greatest number is 8, followed by 6, followed by 5, followed by 2, followed by 1. So they are arranged in descending order to form a greatest number. Now second step is put commas according to periods. So there are 2 periods for 5-digit number. Ones period, we have ones, tens, 100. Now comma to separate periods. Ones period is separated from the thousand period. This is 10,000 and 1,000. This is 10,000 and this is 1,000. Now write the number 8, 6, 5, 2, 1 and you have to put comma between 6 and 5 to separate periods. Now we will solve B part, which is 3, 0, 5, 4, 1. The given digits are 3, 0, 5, 4 and 1. Now to form a smallest number, you have to arrange in the ascending order. This is our step 1. Let's arrange them in this ascending order. 0, 1, 3, 4 and 5. Step 2 is put commas to separate periods. Right? let's separate periods. In 5-digit number, there are two periods having ones, tens, hundred. This is our ones period, and then thousand, and then 10,000. This is our thousands period. You have to put comma here. But in this smallest number, we are having the digit 0. If we have 0, then we have to follow the third step. If any digit is 0, exchange it with the next smallest digit. अगर हमारे पास 0 आ जाता है तो हम इसको जो इसके पास वाले स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट है उससे चेंज कर देंगे. नाउ एक्सचेंज देम 1 here and 0 here. Now this is our final smallest number. Now let's write it. 1 0 3 4 5 and comma here. Now again consider the digits 3 0 5 4 and 1. Now you have to form the greatest number. For greatest number, arrange the digits in the descending order. So the greatest digit is 5, followed by 4, followed by 3, followed by 1, and then 0. Step 2 is separate them according to periods. So first period is ones, which is having ones, tens and hundred. And second period is thousands, which is having thousands and 10,000s. Now write the number 5 4 3 1 0. Next question is C. The given digits are 4 9 7 6 2. Now let's consider the digits 4 9 7 6 and 2. For smallest number, arrange them in the ascending order. This is our first step. The first step is arrange the given digits in the ascending order. So the greatest digit is 9 and the smallest digit is 2, and you have to arrange them in the ascending order. So you have to take the first smallest number 2, then followed by 4, then followed by 6, followed by 7, and then 9. So this is our arrangement of the given digits. Step 2 is put commas to separate periods. So the first period is ones, having ones, tens and hundred. Then we have thousands and 10,000s. We'll separate by putting comma between 4 and 6. There is no 0 digit, so we will not go to the step 3. Now write the number 2 4 comma 6 7 9. Now again consider the digits for greatest number. The given digits are 4 9 7 6 and 2. The step 1 is arrange the digits in the descending order. So the greatest number is 9 7 6 4 and 2. Step 2 is separate these digits according to periods. So these 3 digits for ones period, these 2 digits for thousands period. Now write the number. Number is 9 7 comma 642. Now we will do the D part. D part is 2 comma 6 comma 4 comma 0 comma 9. So the given digits are 2 comma 6, then 4, then again we have 0, then 9. Now we are having the digit 0. Listen properly. For forming smallest number, we have 3 steps. Step 1 is arrange them in the ascending order. In ascending order, the smallest digit first, followed by the 2, then followed by 4, then 6, then 9. Now arrange them in the periods. These 3 digits are of the ones period, ones, tens, hundred, and these are of the thousands period, thousands and 10,000. Then we will go for the third step because we have the digit 0. Now exchange it with the next smallest digit. So we will exchange 0 with 2. Now exchange them and we will have 2 0 comma 4 6 9. Now you can write 2 0 comma 4 6 9. Now we will form the greatest number with the given digits. The given digits are 2 6 4 0 9. For forming greatest number, we have 2 steps. Step 1 is arrange them in the descending order. So the greatest number first, followed by 6, 4, 2 and then 0. Now separate them according to periods. We have ones period and thousands period. So in ones period we have 3 digits 0, 2, 4, then we will put comma, then 6 and 9. So this is our ones period having ones, tens, hundred, and thousands period having 2 digits 1000 and 10,000. Now we will have the E part 1 comma 0 comma 3 comma 7 comma 5. So the given digits are 1 0 3 7 and 5. Forming smallest number, we have 3 steps because we have the digit 0. The step 1 is arrange them in the ascending order. In ascending order, 0 1 3 5 7. Now put comma to separate periods. Ones period, ones, tens, hundred, then thousands period, 1 and 0, 1000 and 10,000. You have to put comma between these 2 periods. Now step 3 is if there is a digit 0 for smallest number, then exchange it with the smallest digit next to it. Which is the next digit? With it we have 1. Now exchange them 1 and 0. So our final digit is 10357. Now you can write the smallest number as 1 0 comma 3 5 7. Now we have to form the greatest number. For greatest number we have 2 steps. For the given digit 1 0 3 7 and 5. Now you have to arrange the digits in the descending order: 7, 5, 3, 1 and 0. Now step 2 is separate them with the according to periods. This is our ones, tens, 100, then 1000 and 10,000. We have to separate these two periods according to periods. Now write down 7, 5, 3, 1, 0. Thank you and have a nice day.